Something that I find myself doing more often than usual is a cut like this, where I'll be looking at something from an angle and I'll perform my cut, and then I'll jump over to circle, and using snap dots I will just begin extruding a circle upwards, and then I'll go back and look at it in side view, and I'll grab the dot and adjust it, and then grab the draw dot and also adjust that, and we see that grabbing the draw dot just isn't going to work in this particular view. If we rotate our view, we see that we're able to grab the draw dot for the circle radius and adjust it as desired. However, if we're looking at it from a flat axial, we're not able to do so. In fact, I'm dragging and moving the circle, and we see that we're not able to adjust it. We're able to adjust the extrusion and the offset, and we could even add a bevel. Just had to make sure. But we're not able to adjust the draw dot. So this was something that we also sought to resolve in this update, but it was a little bit more complicated of an issue than initially expected, so it required a fix for the fix. But I'm happy to announce that now that situation is resolved. So we performed our box cut, and now we're just bringing up our circle, and if we look at it from the side, we're able to bring this dot down. We're able to now grab our draw dot and adjust our radius. Just a small oversight, but all these things together help make Boxcutter a more fluid and user-friendly experience, but it's definitely one of those things we didn't want to leave out on. So I'm happy to announce that now you can use the draw dot in perpendicular flat views in a way that you couldn't previous.